Okay guys, you probably recognize this ceiling fan from the last video. This is the 42-inch Evergo top mount ceiling fan. Again, these are not classified as spinners as they have a motor housing. Furthermore, in the last video, you saw this ceiling fan had very bad bearings. You could hear them screeching and everything. And I took the liberty of taking it down today and oiling it up, cleaning it up a little bit. And it fixed it in a manner that I'm very surprised at. It does not make noise now at all. And it definitely has a better low speed. So, yeah, again, this fan is from April of 1987. This bulb here acts up sometimes. So you can see there, it's actually spinning a lot faster on low. This is the low speed that I would dream of on any 42-inch fan. Like, it's not too slow, but it's not crazy fast. That's exactly how it should be. Didn't even change the capacitor. It sometimes buzzes a little bit because these globes are noisy. But you can see there, that's medium. That's definitely a lot better than it was. Now, high is incredible. Look at that. That is crazy. That's actually perfect. Now, watch the spin down, and now reflect on the last video and think about how slow it was on low and how quick it was to stop. And look at it coast now. This thing is definitely a lot better than it was. And yeah, I'm so glad that this is my fan. I was so nervous about it being that locked up. But yeah, it's doing fine. Just need a little grease. Don't use WD-40 on fans either. That will make them so loud. I recommend a little bike chain oil or some thick oil, not just watery stuff like WD-40 and such. You need good stuff like oil or something like that. But there you go, guys. You can see there that was perfect. That was a perfect performance. Sorry about the light bulbs there. The LED's garbage, and this one here goes in and out. But yeah, I'm so glad it's fixed now. So I figured I'd do an update video for you. I was just curious myself because I saw when it was spinning down that it just stopped like really quick, and that's not what a fan's supposed to do. So, alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned, and in the next video you're going to see a 36-inch Evergo spinner. See ya.